In this video I am going to show you how to manage your construction projects easily using ConstructionPM step by step. Hi, I am John from ConstructionPM. Are you currently managing your projects using several spreadsheets which are not connected to each other? Do you have data and information scattered around in multiple places with no traceability? Are you spinning your head trying to track your projects in real time? If the answer to any of those questions is yes, then you have come to the right place. Manage tasks, costs, material and resources easily, efficiently and quickly for all your projects using our Google Drive-based construction management solution. So without any further delay, let's get started.
The first thing you'll need to do is to log on to fusion.io/construction-project-management-app.
The link to this is given in the description below. Once you arrive on our landing page, you will click on Start your free trial now. Then you will click on OK. Install ConstructionPM in my Google Drive. Since it is based on Google Drive, it will need to get access to your Google account to continue providing the services. In a few minutes you will be up and running with ConstructionPM. You will then be redirected to the central dashboard where you can easily create a new project or manage any of your existing projects. A new project can be created very quickly by clicking on Create a New Project and filling out a few details. You can see we've already created 2 test projects. Once you create your new projects, it's very important to create your own project team. That can be done very easily using the Manage Team and Payments button. You can easily invite people of your organization to join your team by typing in their Gmail address and clicking on Invite to join your team. This will send them an invitation. Once they accept the invitation, they will join your team like this here. This page easily allows you to manage any existing users or add new users to your team. Once you're done adding your team members to ConstructionPM, we are now going to get started with our first project. The project opens up in a new tab. This is the project level dashboard, which shows you a quick snapshot of where your project stands. You can enter any of these details at any point by clicking on Edit Project Details. Before moving further to start managing your project, it's important to manage your project team, which can be done easily by clicking on the Manage Project Team button. This screen allows you to add or manage project team members. To add a new member, you click on the Add New button, select from the available pool of project team members you added on the central dashboard and add them to the team. You will see a new project team member is already added to the project. After you're done adding your project team members, we can get started with managing the project. For that, we will go back to the project dashboard. Step 1 in managing any project is to do progress tracking. Next step is to define the list of activities that you wish to track. That can be easily done using our spreadsheet interface. Here you can see that we already have the list of tasks that we wish to track listed.
We have to provide their priorities, their durations, their planned start and end dates.
We have them listed here for your convenience. Once you're done populating the spreadsheet, we'll close this and refresh the project tracking page. All the activities that were entered in the spreadsheet are now reflected on this dashboard. To manage any particular activity, we will go ahead and click on it. It will open up the activity in a separate tab. You can update any of the task details from this page. Just update the form here and click on Update Details. You will notice that the task details have been updated on the section on the right. You can also upload any files you wish to attach to this task by clicking on Attach Files. If you wish to assign the task to a particular project team member, click on Collaborate. You will assign the task owner and you receive a notification the task owner has been successfully updated. Any updates made to any task can be seen from the Recent Actions page. All the task assignees receive a daily email like this, highlighting the activities which need their attention. This makes it easy for any of the project task assignees to update the status by clicking on the link. Another key feature of Construction PM is the material management, which allows you to manage your entire material inventory process easily and quickly. Clicking on Manage Material takes you to the inventory page. On this page, you can easily enter all the items that are there in your warehouse in a spreadsheet format. You can use this page to populate the table with material item, assign a code, description, type of material, the unit. If you already have some material already in your warehouse, you can populate the quantity in the previous quantity column. Once you do that, the available quantity automatically gets updated. All the material you populated shows up on this material inventory page.
If you wish to procure new material and issue purchase orders, that can be done by clicking on Create PO.
Creating a PO only takes a couple of minutes. To create a PO, you will go ahead and select the material that you need from the available drop-down. Assign the quantity, the unit price, any tax, and click on Add. You then need to select a vendor. You will add the delivery date. Enter any notes, and click on Generate PO. In less than a minute you will have your PO ready. You can download this PO and send it to your vendor. You can keep track of the ordered material from the Manage Material page. You will click on Purchase and Receive. When the vendor ships you the material, you will click on Update. Here you will see that the received quantity has been accepted in your warehouse. Another key feature of Construction PM is that the projects can request material from the storehouse from within the project itself. For that, we will go back to our project and click on BOQ. We will click on the Edit BOQ spreadsheet. We will go ahead and add all the material that are needed as part of this project. Once done, we will close this sheet and refresh the page. You will see all the material that was populated inside the BOQ spreadsheet. When you are ready to order a material, click on Send Material Request. This will send a request to your material management warehouse. The warehouse will receive a request on the material request page. They can quickly respond using the Respond button. If some material is already present in the warehouse, you can dispatch the quantity to the project. Any material dispatched from the warehouse shows up in the dispatched quantity column. The actual cost of the material is updated, and it also shows you how much budget is remaining for that particular line item.
This allows you to manage your budget for the material efficiently.
For items which are currently not available in the warehouse and need to be procured by the project themselves, you can do that by clicking on Submit Purchase Details. You can select what item was procured, the quantity, the price, and attach any supporting documentation and click on Save. As Construction PM is built on top of the Google platform, all the documentation data information created as part of this app is saved on your Google Drive. Clicking on the Construction PM main folder takes you to the Google Drive, where all the information, all the documentation is saved.
You have access to this at all times.
All the project team members also have access to this folder at all times. So what are you waiting for? Log on to fusion.io Construction Project Management app. The link is given in the description below and start your free trial now. So that was a quick overview of Construction PM. Construction PM is the best app for construction project management. It has fully customizable and automated workflows, user-friendly spreadsheets, notifications, and shared folders. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any custom workflow requirement that you want us to automate. We hope you enjoy playing around with Construction PM. In case of any questions, please feel free to reach out to us using a contact information in the description below. Thank you very much.